Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus Signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Tignan natin ang mga messages ni Scorpio. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay honesty. Yan. So, napakaganda. Ang mensahe nito para sa iyo is some of you may need ngayon na maging honest na kayo sa sarili ninyo. Some of you may need to be honest with other people as well. Yung gano'n, ano? At ang affirmation dito na maaari ninyong i-recite if you would like to is, I can't always expect the truth from others, but I can expect it from myself. So, napakaganda, diba? Yung parang ini-encourage dito yung kayo, no? Ini-encourage dito ng spirit si Scorpio na maging honest kayo dito sa sarili nyo. Be authentic. Ilabas ninyo yung truth ninyo, yung ganon, ano? So, maaari talaga din na ang iba din sa inyo is going to start living your truth. You're going to start. What else? We have love. Yan. Ang affirmation din dito that you can recite if you would like to is, I commit to the practice of saying the good in all things. Ayan. So, napakaganda rin itong mga kaganapan sa inyo. Kasi parang magkakaroon kayo dito din ng pagbabago on how you perceive things. Pagbabago on how you approach things din. Yung ganon. Kasi ngayon, parang mag-aano na kayo. You're going to start to see things, people, and even situations in the eyes of God. No? Yung parang ganon. Kaya this is really a beautiful message din para sa inyo. Kasi talaga siguro meron kayong gagawing pagbabago sa buhay ninyo. And maybe you're going to start changing, on a personal level, on a spiritual level, yung ganon. So, most likely, ngayon, there is a shift of energy, no? Dito na magaganap sa buhay ninyo, Scorpio, and you may start with personal transformation then, ano? So, napakaganda. We have gratitude. I am thankful for this life and the opportunities that it presents. Ayan. So, most likely talaga na may pagbabago dito on a spiritual level and personal level for some of you. Kasi dito din, sinasabi dito na ngayon maaaring magbubukas na talaga yung inyong ng puso, ang deeper understanding ninyo about things, about life, 'di ba? Dahil dito matututo na din kayo mag-appreciate, ng lahat-lahat about life. You may be starting to understand also or have a deeper understanding of the human psyche, yung ganon. At saka dito, magiging na din kayo appreciative, of everything or anything na mga biyayang parating sa inyo. So maybe you're going to start to be appreciative. You're going to start also to grateful of anything and everything that comes into your life, including opportunities. So that's really beautiful. So tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Scorpio. Your angel number is 0909. There is new beginnings. Napakaganda naman. So this is a great chance dito na magkakaroon kayo ng mga pagbabago talaga sa buhay ninyo. May mga bago kayong sisimulan. You're going to embrace new things, new perspective, 'di ba? Kahit this could be anything. There are going to be a lot of various opportunities siguro dito that might lead you to a different path, yung ganyan, maaaring bago talagang perspective yan, bagong kaganapan sa buhay ninyo, sa pakiramdam ninyo, that could also be an opportunity coming in that is going to change your life talaga in general, yung mga ganon. So, maaaring meron din kayo dito mga accomplishments or achievements, meron kayo mga tatapusin ngayon, endeavor or kung ano man task, and magsisimula kayo ng panibago, you are heading towards newness then. So this is really a beautiful energy kasi meron ditong mga tatapusin kayo and you are ready to embark on new things, or new endeavor, yung ganon. So we have 0330. Yan, lucky shirt, napakaganda. So Sabi dito love, mas meron dito love. So most likely Scorpio, talagang yung parang your heart expands sa ngayon. Kaya yung love is going to be overflowing, 'di ba? Mag-overflow ang pag-ibig sa inyo dito, mag-overflow yung kindness ninyo, yung hope and optimism, So this is really beautiful. At maaaring kayo ngayon, mas inspired kayo, to pursue whatever it is that you want to pursue. Kaya naman siguro mas determined kayo sa ngayon, at saka kaya naman meron din dumadating or pinapadala sa inyo ng mga opportunities dahil din siguro na kayo, handang-handa na kayo to embrace newness, handang-handa na kayo to embark on new endeavor, 'di ba? No? Kaya merong support na pinapadala sa inyo, merong mga opportunities and possibilities na pinapadala sa inyo at this time. We have 1551. Ayan, hold your vision. Okay? Hold your vision dahil you have an extra spiritual power at this time, no, na mag-manifest kayo ng abundance, ng prosperity, ng pera, ng mga pangarap ninyo, mga hopes and dreams ninyo, yung mga goals ninyo. Kaya hold your vision, focus, no, on what you are doing or focus on what you are planning to do and take action. So it's time for you to put your faith, your time, your effort, your energy into your ideas and pursue kung ano man yung gusto ninyong marating, kung ano yung gusto ninyong i-manifest sa buhay ninyo, dahil nandito yung inyong kapangyarihan sa ngayon, nasa inyong mga kamay ang kapangyarihan ngayon para na mag-manifest kayo ng mga gusto ninyong i-manifest. Okay? So tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. Posible din na yung mga new beginnings na to, that could be magsisimula, no? Kapag nag-manifest na kayo ng mga gagawin ninyo, mag-manifest na kayo ng mga pangarap ninyo, yung mga ganon. And tsaka yung ninyo, love na to, this could be also linked to new relationships, no? Scorpio, na-pick up ko lang. So we have 7 of Pentacles. Ayan, hold, di ba? Sabi dito, hold your vision. Tapos itong keyword niya is vision. So, definitely, hold your vision. Put more extra effort. Put more time and energy into what you are doing sa ngayon. Kasi maybe naghihintay na lang din talaga kayo ng pagmamanifest ng kung ano man ang gusto ninyong ma-accomplish dito, no? Kaya, hold it, no? Dahil pa saan ba dadating at dadating din kung anong ini-expect ninyo, kung ano yung hinihintay ninyo. It might not come in the exact form na hinihintay ninyo, pero there is a promise dito sa 7 of Pentacles na kung ano man yung hinihintay ninyo, it will come, no? Yun nga lang, hindi according sa timeline din na gusto ninyo, but there is a promise that definitely it will happen, no? So what else? We have Queen of Cups. Ayan, so you're going to be very, ngayon, extra sensitive, extra intuitive, no? Dati na kayong napakalakas ng inyong psychic powers, ng inyong psychic abilities, pero ngayon, you will be extra, no? Extrang empathic, extrang intuitive ngayon, kaya naman talaga, Scorpio, i-take advantage ninyong energy na yan. Dahil maaaring meron kayo ditong mga gagawin, no? Sa ngayon, maaaring meron kayong parang malakihang pagbabago talaga dito na mangyayari. So, maaaring marami kayong tatapusin ngayon. Maybe nasa finishing touches na kayo na stage and you're about to start anew, no? Kaya, ginagabayan kayo dito ng Divine Universe on how you're going to navigate, no, your situation. So, what else? We have 4 of Pentacles. Ayan. So, take control of your money. Take control of your finances. Okay? So, maaring Scorpio? Maaring encouragement ito sa inyo to manage your money wisely, no? Dahil siguro hindi balance. Walang balance siguro between yung pagpasok ng pera versus yung paglabas ng pera. So, maybe may ganung sitwasyon ng iba sa inyo, and you may need to change that as well, no? Sa ngayon, para mas maging maayos ang kalakaran or ang pagmamanage ninyo ng inyong kaperahan. So, good luck, and that's all I have for you for the week. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.